In a new update to our Thrive Leads plugin, we have made one of the most powerful list building methods out there more accessible for you and more easy for you to use. Hello, I'm Shane from Thrive Themes, and we have updated Thrive Leads with a set of new templates that are made for you to put one of the most powerful ways to build your list on your website in record time. What I'm talking about are the new content upgrade templates. In case you're not familiar, a content upgrade is when you have a piece of content on your blog and you have an opt-in offer made for that one specific piece of content. So you have an offer that isn't just a generic, sign up here to get on my newsletter or sign up here to get some unrelated ebook. You have something that specifically extends the purpose of that post and that is made just for that post, and you offer that in return for people signing up to your mailing list. Now, if you've seen our free next generation list building tactics training, you know that the reason this works so well is because it makes use of one of the principles, which is relevance. The more highly relevant your offer is, the higher the conversion rates will be. And that's the magic of the content upgrade. That content upgrade is super relevant to exactly the people who are reading your post. While creating content upgrades in principle has been possible in Thrive Leads since day one, we've added a few templates to make it super easy for you to get them nicely designed and inserted in your post in no time at all. So let's take a look at how that works. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to the Thrive dashboard and from here select Thrive Leads. In Thrive Leads, scroll down to get to the lead shortcodes. So the shortcodes are what we use to insert a opt-in form inside our content, which is what we want to do in this case. So click on Add New. I'm going to call this Content Upgrade Demo and create that. And then here you see the new entry. So I'll go to Edit. And I will create my first form. I'll just call this 1 and create it. And you'll see in a minute why this is a relevant step. But first I'm going to go to edit the design. This loads our builder and I can start selecting a template. I want to go to multi-step templates because a content upgrade is in fact a multi-step opt-in. And I'll choose the first one. All of these here are our new content upgrade templates. And I'll choose this template. This is what it looks like. And it has two states. So this is the content upgrade box that will appear inside my content. And of course, I can edit everything here, right? I can edit the text, I can edit the colors, I can edit the text of this link. All of that can be edited. And what happens is when someone clicks on this link, it is automatically and already set to open this lightbox state. And this is what our lightbox looks like. And here, once again, I can edit absolutely everything. You can see this is a very simple and effective kind of design, but you can edit everything to your heart's content. You can change the colors, the background, the size, absolutely everything. Here's our actual opt-in form. You can click on Connect with Service to connect that to your mailing list, to your autoresponder, or even to multiple mailing lists. And like I said, this is Thrive Leads, so absolutely everything you see here is totally editable and customizable. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to save these changes. And now there are two ways to insert this new form we created inside our content. One of them is if I'm editing a piece of content with Thrive Content Builder, I can find the Thrive Leads forms in the sidebar here, and I can drag and drop this content upgrade into my content like any other kind of element, right? So you can add that anywhere in TCP. The other way is if I edit the post without Thrive Content Builder. So we're in the normal post editor right here. If we go back to the Thrive Leads dashboard, here we have the actual shortcode. So I can copy this shortcode and I can paste this in here somewhere. And then let's preview what that looks like. And here we go. This is our content upgrade inside our post. When I click on this link, it opens the lightbox and we have a perfect ready-made content upgrade. If we go back to this dashboard, here's where we created our form. Here's another advantage that you have in Thrive Leads is you can add a new form or you can clone this existing form and you can start an A/B test. So not only can you create content upgrades to build your list, you can actually make some changes to the design or even change the offer or choose a different template and then start an A/B test and see which one will convert better over time. So that's how easy this is to set up, and here's a quick look at some of the other templates that we've included. As you can see, all of them look really stylish, attention grabbing, but not too over the top. And these will work really, really well for getting your readers to subscribe to your mailing list and sign up for the thing you're giving away. Now, this obviously also works really well together with our asset delivery feature, and if you don't know what that is, I'll link to the description of that below. For further demonstration purposes, I'm also putting this into action on this blog post about this new feature. So if you are seeing this on the Thrive Themes blog, in the description below this video, you will find a content upgrade that you can sign up for, and it will put into use the asset delivery feature. So this is obviously one of the templates, first of all, in Thrive Leads for the content upgrade. When you sign up, you will get an asset delivery email with download links for, number one, a guide on what we do to make sure that when we have a content upgrade in a post, it isn't interrupted by other opt-in forms that, like pop-ups and things like that might be running on our posts in general. So we have a very simple way to ensure that there's no conflict there. So that's a quick guide you can sign up to get, and also the link to the next generation list building tactics, where you can learn in more detail about the principle of relevancy that we're using here, plus all of the other next generation conversion increasing list building tactics. All right, so, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, you can click on the link in the description to get to that and sign up for these bonuses. And at the same time, of course, this is a demonstration of the feature. So I wanted to put this in the post so you can see this feature and see this template in action for yourself as well. I hope you enjoy these new templates. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.